If you earn good amount of money but never feel ahead, learn a lot but execute nothing, and feel stuck in survival mode instead of control, let's fix that. By the end of this video, you will have 12-month money operation system. Not a get rich quick idea and not even motivation, but a step-by-step path that turns confusion into cash flow and discipline into stability. And if you follow these steps for one full year, money stop feeling scary and stressful. So we are going to break down this into 10 steps, and at the end of this video there is a one more bonus step which will completely change the game in this operation. Starting with step 1, build a 12-month money map. Well, there's a difference between normal people and wealthy people about life achievements. What most average people does is they set goals watching by someone so-called motivational life-changing video. But wealthy people actually design paths. Stop thinking like if I wake up early in the morning, I will make money. If I do workout, I will make more money. I mean, these things are good, but be practical. Work on your money. Write down how money enters in your life. Learn about how money grows, how money is protected. Create a simple easy map which you can understand in simple way. For first 3 months, learn any skill and start a small income. For next 3 months, try to create a stable cash flow. And for last 6 months, you keep scaling and investing in that business or asset. Remember, a goal without a path is just a wishful thinking. Step 2. Eliminate money leaks before chasing more income. What most people think is they need more money. I mean, that's actually true, but it's a secondary part. You first have to control it, and I'm damn sure you're not controlling your money. Let's take a look. Whenever you are sad or dealing with emotional consequences, did you go out and spend money on food, shopping, or buy something that makes you feel good? You're doing it, right? See, that's the part which is keeping you back. You have to stop emotional spending, convincing spending, and status spending. Trust me, it's not an easy thing. We are addicted to spending money emotionally. You have to change your mindset. Someone who is earning 50k per month but spending 15k will always feel broke even they start earning 1 million per month. Listen to this. You don't get rich by earning more. You get rich by keeping more. Just spend your money on asset and investment, and someday you will get dopamine by spending money on stocks, funds, or any business rather than spending money on food, clothes, and other useless things. Step 3. Choose one income engine. Struggle comes from divided focus. There is no need to get in every corner of income. You just need one skill, one market, and one income model. And do it consistently for 1 year and give your efforts as much as you can. That's all you need. And trust me, it can change your life in 1 year than you would never imagine. Every finance guru on YouTube will tell you to start freelancing, and with that, start drop shipping, also invest in crypto, and create a content too. Well, that's a funny thing because if you keep standing on two or more boards, someday they are going to change their direction. And what I'm trying to tell you is pick one service people already pay for. You don't always have to start a new idea, just try proven idea. Step 4. Solve one pain that people already pay to remove. Money flows where pain already exists. As I said before, you don't always need a new idea. Instead of finding problems and then creating solution for them and then convincing the people, find a business which is working really good but have less supply. This will get us to the core of business, demand and supply. Enter that business, scale that business, and create your unique brand. That's how simple finding a business is. Don't make it complicated just by listening to the motivational video. Step 5. Build a daily money routine. Daily routine is very important. But what most people does is they only program their routine as waking up, having breakfast, go to work, exercise and sleep. But adding points which will help you to grow your mind more about business and money is the secret recipe for getting rich. Every day, separate your 30 minutes for learning something new about business and finance. Separate more 30 minutes just for thinking because it will increase your creativity and make your business or brand stand out of the crowd. Separate more 30 minutes to solve the problems in your business or finance. And trust me, adding this point in your routine will change your life. Step 6. Earn proof income before big income. Your first goal is not freedom, it's a proof. Proof that someone paid you without knowing you and for your value. Before dreaming of getting rich or making your business income 8 figure, Just give yourself a proof that someone is paying you money for the value of your service. Step 7. Turn results into asset, not ego. Instead of celebrating your results, start documenting it. Take screenshot of your sales, create a case study, find problems and solve it. It will help you in future. Step 8. Lock one distribution channel for 12 months. Money hates inconsistency. Don't move around every week. Pick one platform, one format, one message, and stay there until it feels boring. Posting daily on one platform beats posting weekly everywhere. And remember, mastery looks boring to beginners. Step 9. Reinvest like a professional, not a gambler. Get this in your head. Money should only buy speed, skill, and system, not a lifestyle upgrade. That's the difference. Your first profit should add more tools, mentorship, and automation in your business rather than getting a new iPhone, traveling to the world, or flexing. Reinvesting is the most powerful weapon people ignore. Step 10. Scale only what's predictable. Most people confuse here. They scale efforts and get exhausted rather than scale system that already work. If your strategy work, the offer you created work, that channel for promotion, anything work repeatedly, multiply that thing. Now it's time for the bonus step. Play the 12th month game relentlessly. I bet that most of you are going to quit at 3 months. Some will stay till 6 months, but very few can survive 12 months. And that's why it works. Because believe it or not, working on this plan for 12 months is the real cheat code. Let me show you how realistic timeline will work in this process. For first 3 months, there will be a lot of confusion and slow results. Then from 4 to 6 months, you will get a little bit of clarity and have small wins. And from 7 to 12, you will get the momentum and stability. Remember, time is the unfair advantage most people refuse to use. Money struggle isn't about luck, it's about lack of structure. Ask yourself, you never try to understand how money works in your life. You never try to control it. If you follow random advices, you will get random results. But if you create a system and follow it for 12 months, you gain control over your finances. And don't fall for that get rich overnight ideas. This process will not make you rich overnight, but I guarantee you, you will never stress again about money if you follow this step. And if you are in your 20s and 30s, make sure you watch this video because this will help you to know is that your 20s are making your future or destroying it. I hope this helps.